Yes, it's Kenya and still have my pajamas. And we caught our birdie in a box. Oh my gosh, I just dropped the food. So I'm just gonna place the camera here. Here. Yeah. Perfect. So we have it. Wait, let's do that all the way here. Okay, so we're gonna food. I feel you. I feel you. You can even hear the noises. I know where to put this. Totally no. Okay, so this was recording. So we're just gonna open. Come on, birdie. Oh, Chicky. Her name is Chicky. 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 Wait, you wanna see her? Okay, for a better view. Chicky. Chicky. So Chicky's here. Where are you, Chicky? I know you're in there. So, for a better view, Chicky, 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 where are you, Chicky? She's coming. So cute. So we're gonna try to grab her with the jacket. Oh, Chicky. Chicky, are you okay? Okay, Chicky. Wait. Someone else. Chicky? Chicky? Oh, it's in this side. Wait. I'll try to grab her with the hood of the jacket. Oh no! The camera has So, one of the worst wounds. Open up that window. No, don't be scared. Look, guys. Look, it's you. Chicky. Okay, I'm gonna let you go, but behave. Push me. Okay, I'm scared she'll bite me. But she's my best birdie. So, bye, Chicky. Bye. Okay. So that was for Chicky. Bye, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have a bird. And comment the name. Comment the name. Or a pet.